Winter, with its icy winds and heavy snowfalls, transforms the world into a challenging landscape for survival. While it brings beauty to the natural world, it also demands extraordinary adaptations from animals. These creatures have developed ingenious strategies to find food, stay warm, and protect their young in the most unforgiving conditions. Let's explore the remarkable ways animals endure extreme snow and winter weather. Finding food in winter is no small feat, especially when the ground is blanketed by snow and resources are scarce. The cold season brings a unique set of challenges for wildlife, as they must adapt their behaviors and strategies to ensure they can find enough sustenance to survive until spring. The snow-covered landscape may look serene and beautiful, but for the animals that inhabit these regions, it is a constant battle for survival. Herbivores like deer and elk rely on their ability to paw through snow to uncover hidden vegetation, such as grasses, shrubs, and lichen. These animals have evolved to be incredibly resourceful, using their hooves to dig through the snow and reach the food buried beneath. This behavior is not just a matter of survival, but also a testament to their adaptability. In some regions, deer and elk may even migrate to lower elevations where the snow is less deep, making it easier to find food. However, this migration can be perilous as it exposes them to predators and harsh weather conditions. For smaller mammals like squirrels, preparation is key. They store nuts and seeds in caches throughout the autumn and retrieve them during the winter months. This behavior, known as caching, is a critical survival strategy. Squirrels have an incredible memory, allowing them to locate their hidden food stores even under a blanket of snow. They're also known to create multiple caches to ensure that if one is discovered by another animal, they still have other reserves to rely on. This meticulous planning and preparation highlight the intelligence and foresight of these small creatures. Carnivores, such as wolves and foxes, face the challenge of hunting prey in the cold. The winter landscape can make it difficult to find and catch food, as many prey animals are also more vigilant and harder to track. Wolves, for instance, have developed a highly effective hunting strategy that involves working together as a pack. This social structure allows them to take down larger prey, which provides more food for the entire group. The pack's coordinated efforts and communication are crucial for their success in the harsh winter environment. Wolves use their keen sense of smell and strong social bonds to hunt as a pack, allowing them to take down large prey like elk or deer. Their ability to work together and communicate effectively is a key factor in their hunting success. Each member of the pack has a specific role, whether it's tracking, chasing, or ambushing the prey. This teamwork not only increases their chances of a successful hunt, but also ensures that the entire pack can share in the bounty. The harsh winter conditions make this cooperation even more vital, as food is scarce and the stakes are high. Foxes, on the other hand, rely on their hearing to detect small animals burrowing beneath the snow. Their acute sense of hearing allows them to pinpoint the exact location of their prey, even when it's hidden under several inches of snow. Once they have located their target, foxes use a unique hunting technique known as mousing, where they leap into the air and dive headfirst into the snow to catch their prey. In the Arctic, polar bears patrol the ice in search of seals, waiting patiently by breathing holes or breaking through the ice to reach their prey. These massive predators are perfectly adapted to their icy environment, with thick fur and a layer of blubber to keep them warm. Polar bears are solitary hunters, and their survival depends on their ability to catch seals, which are their primary food source. They use their keen sense of smell to detect seals from miles away and can wait for hours by a breathing hole for a seal to surface. This patience and persistence are crucial for their survival in the harsh Arctic conditions. Birds like chickadees eat seeds and insects that they stored earlier, or forage for what little remains in the frozen trees and shrubs. These small birds are incredibly resilient, able to withstand the cold temperatures and find food in the most unlikely places. Chickadees have a remarkable ability to remember the locations of their food caches, which they rely on during the winter months. They also have a high metabolic rate, which helps them generate the energy needed to stay warm and active. This combination of memory, adaptability, and energy efficiency allows them to thrive even in the harshest winter conditions. Each species has its own way of ensuring they have enough energy to survive the winter. From the resourceful herbivores that dig through the snow to find hidden vegetation, to the meticulous squirrels that rely on their caches of nuts and seeds, to the cunning carnivores that use their senses and social structures to hunt, and the resilient birds that forage for what little remains. Every animal has adapted to the challenges of winter in its own unique way. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible resilience and ingenuity of wildlife, showcasing the diverse strategies that have evolved to ensure survival in the face of adversity. The winter landscape, though harsh and unforgiving, is a stage where the drama of survival plays out in countless ways, each story a testament to the enduring spirit of life. Staying warm is another essential challenge animals face during the winter. As temperatures drop, the struggle to maintain body heat becomes a matter of survival. Different species have evolved unique adaptations to cope with the harsh conditions, ensuring they can thrive even in the coldest months. Many mammals rely on their thick fur or fat reserves to insulate them from the cold. Fur acts as a natural barrier, trapping warm air close to the skin. For instance, the dense fur of a wolf or a deer provides a crucial layer of protection against the biting wind and freezing temperatures. Fat reserves, on the other hand, serve a dual purpose. Not only do they provide insulation, but they also act as an energy source during times when food is scarce. Arctic foxes, for instance, have dense, multi-layered fur that traps heat close to their bodies. This fur is so effective that it allows them to maintain a stable body temperature even when the external temperature plummets to -50 degrees Celsius. Their fur changes color with the seasons, providing camouflage against the snow in winter and the tundra in summer, which is another survival strategy. Polar bears have a thick layer of fat beneath their skin that provides insulation and energy reserves. This fat layer can be up to 11 centimeters thick, offering significant protection against the cold. Additionally, their fur is not just dense, but also oily, which helps to repel water and keep them dry after swimming in icy waters. This combination of fat and fur makes polar bears one of the most well-adapted animals to the Arctic environment. Birds lacking fur or fat layers fluff up their feathers to create air pockets that trap body heat. This behavior is crucial for their survival as it helps to maintain a stable body temperature. Some birds, like chickadees, can enter a state of torpor, a short-term hibernation-like state to conserve energy during extremely cold nights. Penguins, particularly emperor penguins, huddle in large groups to conserve warmth, rotating positions so that each individual gets a chance to be in the center of group. This behavior is known as turtle formation. and it is essential for their survival in the Antarctic winter, where temperatures can drop to -60 degrees Celsius. The penguins on the outer edge of the huddle take turns moving to the warmer center, ensuring that no single penguin is exposed to the cold for too long. Reptiles and amphibians, being cold-blooded, avoid the cold by hibernating in burrows, mud, or under rocks, where they lower their metabolism to survive on minimal energy. This state of dormancy, known as brumation, allows them to conserve energy and survive the winter months when food is scarce and temperatures are too low for regular activity. Some species, like the wood frog, can even survive being frozen solid, thanks to special proteins in their blood that prevent ice crystals from forming in their cells. Even insects like bees form tight clusters in their hives, vibrating their wings to generate heat and maintain warmth for the entire colony. This behavior, known as shivering thermogenesis, is vital for the survival of the hive during the winter. The bees take turns being on the outer edges of the cluster, ensuring that the queen and the brood remain warm and protected. Other insects like ladybugs gather in large groups in sheltered locations to share body heat and survive the cold. Preparation is also a key strategy for many animals. Squirrels, for example, spend the warmer months gathering and storing food to ensure they have enough to eat during the winter. They create caches of nuts and seeds, which they can access when food is scarce. This behavior is not just about having enough to eat. It also helps them maintain their body heat by providing the necessary energy to stay warm. Building shelters is another element. These shelters are often insulated with materials like leaves, grass, and fur, which help to retain heat. For example, For example, bears hibernate in dens that they line with leaves and twigs, creating a warm and safe environment to sleep through the winter. Social structures and cooperation also play a significant role in staying warm. Many animals like wolves and primates rely on the warmth of their group to survive. By huddling together and sharing body heat, they can maintain a stable temperature even in the coldest conditions. This social behavior not only helps them stay warm, but also strengthens the bonds within the group, which is crucial for their survival and success. In conclusion, the strategies animals use to stay warm in winter are as diverse as the species themselves. From thick fur and fat reserves to huddling and building shelters, these adaptations are essential for their survival. By understanding these behaviors, we gain a greater appreciation for the resilience and ingenuity of the animal kingdom in the face of harsh winter conditions. For animals with young to care, for winter poses an additional set of challenges. The cold, harsh environment can be unforgiving, and the scarcity of food makes survival even more difficult. Yet these animals have developed incredible strategies to ensure their offspring are protected and nurtured through the toughest season of the year. Protecting vulnerable offspring often requires remarkable ingenuity and effort, from building insulated nests to sharing the burden of care. These animals demonstrate extraordinary resilience and adaptability. Their survival strategies are as diverse as the species themselves, each uniquely suited to their environment. Polar bear mothers, for example, dig dens in deep snowbanks where they give birth and nurse their cubs, shielding them from freezing temperatures and predators. These dens are meticulously constructed to provide warmth and safety. The mother bear remains with her cubs for several months, ensuring they are strong enough to face the outside world. Wolf packs raise their pups in dens where the adults work together to provide food and protection. The pack's social structure is crucial for the survival of the young. Each member has a role, from hunting to guarding the den, ensuring that the pups are well fed and safe from threats. This cooperative behavior strengthens the bonds within the pack and increases the chances of survival for the young wolves. Emperor penguins, facing some of the harshest winters on Earth, balance their eggs on their feet covered by a flap of skin to keep them from freezing, taking turns to withstand the icy winds. The male penguins endure the brutal cold while the females are away feeding, huddling together for warmth and rotating positions to ensure each penguin gets a chance to be shielded from the wind. This remarkable endurance and teamwork are vital for the survival of their chicks. Snowy owls fiercely defend their nest from predators while ensuring their chicks are well fed. These owls are vigilant and aggressive when it comes to protecting their young, often taking on much larger predators. They hunt tirelessly to provide a steady supply of food, ensuring their chicks grow strong and healthy despite the harsh conditions. Even smaller animals, like red squirrels, build insulated nests in trees to keep their young warm during frigid nights. These nests, often lined with leaves, moss and fur, provide a cozy refuge from the cold. The mother squirrel remains vigilant, constantly checking and repairing the nest to ensure it remains warm and secure. This attention to detail is crucial for the survival of her young. These behaviors ensure that the next generation has a fighting chance to survive and thrive in the wild. The dedication and ingenuity of these animals are truly remarkable. They remind us of the resilience of nature and the lengths to which living beings will go to protect their young. Each species, in its own way, contributes to the rich tapestry of life, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of the animal kingdom. As we observe these animals and their strategies, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of life in the wild. The winter season, with all its challenges, highlights the strength and determination of these creatures. Their stories of survival and care for their young are a testament to the enduring spirit of life on Earth. In the end, the efforts of these animals to protect their young during winter are a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. Each act of care and protection contributes to the ongoing cycle of life, ensuring that future generations can continue to thrive in even the harshest environments. The beauty and resilience of nature are on full display, inspiring us to cherish and protect the natural world around us. The resilience of animals in extreme winter conditions is a testament to the wonders of nature. Their ability to adapt, endure, and care for their young in the harshest environments is nothing short of extraordinary. From the Arctic tundra to snowy forests, animals display an incredible range of survival strategies that inspire awe and admiration. If you found these insights fascinating, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow nature enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of wildlife and their incredible stories. Together, let's continue to celebrate and learn from the natural world.